Know all about Headless Commerce. Headless Commerce refers to decoupling the front-end and back-end of your online store. In this, front-end and back-end sides work independently and communicate via APIs. Benefits of using Headless Commerce: flexibility and scalability, improved customer experience, cost savings, remain competitive. Potential flaws of Headless Commerce: need experts' help, costly and time-consuming, not support all features, not user-friendly. Best Headless Commerce platforms: Shopify, Magento, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Webflow. Brands using Headless Store: Nike, Venus, Feel Unique, Redbox, Overstock, Target, Annie's Elka, Under Armour. Are you planning to build an online store using Headless Commerce? Connect with ValueCoders experts to build a multi-featured online store.